Hi, 3:45 by the watch. This is me, Justine Kapani, a Monday evening, afternoon, maybe morning for many of you. So, the founder and CEO of IM Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And we're in the business and we specialize in designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff, including corporate gifting items. And I'm also a spokesperson at various forums and stuff. And I also am a member with the Delhi Drum Circle, which is a community circle where we play for causes and stuff. It's an open forum for anybody and everybody who wants to do drumming and stuff. And for that, I'm about 25 years, probably plus, of experience in global brand management, business management, PR. I've been in corporate communication, retail, advertising, marketing, and a lot more. This is nothing to do with work. This is nothing to do with PR. This has nothing to do with interiors and stuff. It's just a regular, a light video on a Monday evening, on a relaxed, forced rest day where the sun is out and it's going to be getting a little colder in the next half an hour or something. So in a city like Delhi, where pollution has become a concern, we forget that it's going to be winters. It's already is getting cold. I'm wearing like what? I'm already layered. So the point is that the share is not about any of my work and stuff, or about me, or about design and everything. It's actually about winters, and in winters, I find that people, youngsters, elders, children, seniors, uh, including animals, dogs, community dogs, pets, they want to overeat and stuff. And you have these cravings. You want to have something like a soup, or you want to have noodles, or you want to have momos, or you want to have like your favorite pizza, or you want to have a cake or something and all that. So as long as you have these amazing cravings and everything, it's very good, it's healthy. So there are 10 healthy things to do, or ways to kind of curb your winter cravings before you come out double the size by the time winter's gone, right? So what are these? So do you want to eat everything during the season? A little bit of moderation and control helps. Keep yourself hydrated, extremely important, and have black coffee or cappuccino. Avoid believing myths that more than 5 cups of coffee is not going to let you sleep. It doesn't work that way on everybody. So what can you do? So start your day with a coffee, a black coffee, a cappuccino, or whatever coffee. The option is you can also have hot cocoa or coffee milk and stuff, or you can have a smoothie. And the idea is that when your stomach is a little filled up, then you tend to eat less of the breakfast. So you'll be eating less of paranthas and less of sandwiches, and like I suddenly want to have sausages or bacon or ham. You don't want to have all of that and stuff. So start your day, and I mean, eat like a king. That's what they used to say, and I still say that. Pamper yourself and indulge in some stuff like that. Start your day. Maybe you can add banana, or you can have an orange, or you can add an apple, and you can have yogurt and stuff also with your diet. And extremely important is to take note that you avoid normally fried stuff. And this is something which I try so hard. When I go out, sometimes I'm tempted to have lots and lots of fried stuff. It's not that I'm a foodie or a junkie or something. It's just that I'm like, normally at home I don't have a lot of fried stuff. So when I go out, I tend to kind of, you know, maybe instead of 2 pieces, I'll have 4 pieces or something like that. But then I balance it out with probably having less of dinner, or less of alcohol, or less of whatever. And I don't count my calories ever, ever, ever. I mean, there was a time when I was so conscious after college and stuff. I used to count my calories and stuff. And I realized that I couldn't enjoy anything because I was so focused on my calories and stuff, that I was like, to hell with all of that, and I'm going to enjoy everything and everything, and I'm going to just work out and stuff, and being too conscious about my calories, any which was never really helped me because for me, fitness is not about weight loss. For me, fitness has always been about being strong, and it's been about being active and having energy, and being fitter and converting your fat into muscle and stuff and all. Okay, so always a good idea to have roasted stuff. If somebody gives you an offer, you want to have something grilled, you want to have something with gravy, you want to have something with fried finish, you want to have something roasted. Always a good idea to choose between roasted and grilled. Yeah, even when you go out, if you want to have a sandwich or something, or you want to have like a burger, when I go and have a burger, I normally don't have fried burgers and stuff. So, the pictures you see of me on social media enjoying myself are normally grilled burgers and stuff. Yeah, or roasted ones, or Subways, or stuff like that. Okay, I mean, I'm very particular on that. And once in a while, you'll see me probably having a Singer burger maybe or something to pamper myself. We humans, we got to love ourselves enough to pamper ourselves and also have a fun quotient happening and stuff. Okay, and keep roasted items on your desk. Like you can have ground nuts, you can have nuts, and you can have this roasted during Diwali. It was so nice that we have these beautiful nuts that are sent to us, cashew nuts and stuff like that. Keep those at an arm's length and have those. Then the heavy stuff and all that. Okay, seasonal fruit so important. At the onset of this, I'm very clear about it that when winter starts, it's all about juices. It's all about fruits. It's all about quinoa. It's all about not lychee. Yes, lychee for a lot of you, but for me, it's more on guavas and pineapples and you know plums, and it's more on stuff like that which is healthy. And then try salads. So salads with a sore throat and the voice going, not for me but for a lot of people and stuff, a good idea is to have salads, have grilled salads, and have like warm salads, the kind that you get in hotels and big chills, or you get continental salads and stuff. Try having those in your diets and stuff. And you can have mushroom salads, you can have fish salad, you can have grilled salads, you can have paneer salad, you can have chicken salad. There's so many salads that are available and stuff. And you can, have Korean salads, and you can have Japanese salads or whatever. Yeah. Sip herbal teas, most important. Yeah. Try and have herbal teas as well, because herbal teas definitely help you kind of maintain this clean, pure system of yours. And with so much of pollution and so much of stuff that we, any which ways, smoking, drinking, or the fumes of the pollution and stuff, a good idea to include green tea, because it's going to release and burn up the toxins and stuff, and it helps you kind of cleanse your system big time. Yeah. And then of course you have yeah, plan your snacks. If you want to have snacks and stuff, like you want to have some snacks, get some stuff which is not high on oil, which is not high on which is not high on starch, but stuff which is light. It's easy to digest and stuff because you're sitting longer. And in winters, that shed this, and people get these blues. So you have these blues, people get lonely. So there are these triggers which make you feel sad, and then what happens is that you get into unnecessary snacking and stuff like that. So as a result of that, every time you think you're going to overeat and stuff, ask yourself this question: should I drink water first? Should I have a coffee first? Should I have tea first? Should I go for a walk first? Go for a walk. Okay. So if you think you're going to overeat something, go for a walk, go for a run, hit the gym, come back, and then you see if you feel like having it again. If you do, then obviously it's a normal diet thingy. It's not a like a hunger pang as they call it and stuff, right? Then of course, what else? Yes, you got to control your emotions. Most important is controlling your emotions. So this wavering thing of emotions, kabhi dhoop hai, kabhi chhao hai, कभी गर्मी है कभी ठंडी है, सो कपड़े इतने ज़्यादा पहनते हैं हम, if we are like livered and suddenly you go into a room and you take off your clothes and stuff, so that plays around with your system. And for people like me, I mean, they've been 2-3 nights and I've felt breathless, with the pollution and stuff. So a good idea is to keep yourself moderately, layered. And if you feel that you're lacking fresh air in your room, switch on the fan on the lowest, get some fresh air, because this is where people make a mistake. They close all the doors and windows and stuff, and then you're in that shitty air which is in your room circulating with the same. Uh, I mean, with the same AQI level and stuff. So that's how that's why you feel not fresh and stuff. So prioritize your sleep and sunlight. Get some sunshine. Try and go out wearing a mask. Wear your glasses and stuff. Carry a bottle of water with you. If you feel nausea, slow down. And extremely important is that you kind of strengthen your immunity and stuff. So 3-4 things I can tell you is exercise helps you big time, but the point is include turmeric in your water and your milk, turmeric in your diet, like soup and stuff. Have amla, do yoga, do breathing exercises, and then what else? Honey, that helps you a lot. Citrus stuff, that helps you a lot. Then yogurt helps you a lot. So I mean, you can always use your doctors who know your medical history even better. Avoid too much of nimbu pani if you have a cough and cold and stuff, because that doesn't help. Very important is to maintain you know peace of mind. Most important, disconnect from too much of talk on anything. And of course, ginger comes to the rescue. Ginger chai, cinnamon, ajwain, all these which help you boost your metabolism, because we are sitting for so long and we do not feel like exercising and stuff. So as a result of that, there's this layer of fat developing around us and stuff. So important, have coriander and include herbs and stuff. Basically stuff to enhance your metabolism and stuff. And I share this very actively, that it's been over 10 years or something that I have dalchini wali chai. The dalchini's got a lot of benefits and positives and stuff. Not that people are going to get depressed or you're going to get depression or feel blue or low and stuff, but it works like an anti-preventive thing. So how my mind works is prevention is better than cure. So try including this, but enjoy your salad, enjoy your soups, enjoy your pizzas, enjoy your breakfast, enjoy your dinners, enjoy your paneers, enjoy your curd, enjoy your chais, enjoy your coffee, enjoy your smoothie. Enjoy and try to calm those cravings. And yeah, if you want to have more chai, coffee, have less of sugar in it and stuff. Avoid being a case of extremes and stuff. And before you pop in any medicines to help you with whatever you feel and stuff, a good idea is to call a doctor. If you feel breathless in the night and you feel that you're losing out on your voice, or you're not able to sleep properly, or your nausea is happening, or if you're feeling breathless and stuff, check with a doctor, because there's so many other things which can happen simultaneously depending on your medical history and stuff, right? So 10 healthy ways to curb winter cravings. Best is mast rahiye, enjoy some music, have some you know good music playing, and play with your pets, watch some good movies, listen to some nice mantra music, do some exercises, read some good books, read some magazines, catch up with your friends, avoid talking about anything and everything depressing and stuff. Any which way is life is so amazing, so much to talk about it, right? So love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast. And uh, yeah, lastly, I think what's more important is also to include fiber rich foods, because they'll keep your body healthier, stronger, and they help you around your digestive systems as well, right? So सबके conditioning अलग है. We all condition differently. All our lifestyles are different. Countries are different. Work systems are different. You know, And we have different sleeping times, we have different waking up times and stuff, but eat like a king. So that's what I leave you on. Enjoy your meal in the afternoons, enjoy your meal in the night, but start your day with a big bang, enjoying your breakfast, and that gives you the maximum energy for the rest of the day and stuff. So love and luck and take care. jkabani@gmail.com, jashikabani at jashikabani office at gmail.com, jashikabani.im@gmail.com. So now you can hear me because I've been not talking since morning. So just sharing a video to do my thought shares and stuff. And thank you for your messages and your likes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.